Shanil Khan. My reading English. My school name is MP School, Lakkanapalli Primary Model School. One day, Buffalo was living in a pond. Tense when he was removed. Rabbit running towards the pond. Vico Fox was chasing him. Help! Remove! Cried Aldo. Jump on my back. Yellow Buffy jumped on to Buffy's back. Buffy got out of the pond and moved towards Vico. He got scared and ran away for their remove tanked Buffy.